A Walmart Spark deactivation appeal has the best chance of success when you respond through the official appeal process and provide documents that directly address the reason your account was deactivated. Sending multiple appeals with different explanations usually slows the review. By the end of this video, you'll know how to submit a proper Walmart Spark deactivation appeal, what information to include, and what to do while you're waiting for a decision. Start by finding the deactivation email sent to the email address linked to your Spark Driver account. If you don't see it, check your spam and junk folders. That email usually explains why your account was deactivated and includes instructions for submitting an appeal. Read the reason carefully before writing anything. If the issue involves identity verification, be ready to provide the requested identification documents. If it relates to your driver's license, vehicle insurance, or registration, make sure those documents are current before submitting your appeal. If the issue is tied to delivery performance or a policy violation, explain the situation honestly and stick to verifiable facts. When you write your appeal, keep it short and organized. State that you're requesting a review of your deactivation, reference the reason provided, explain why you believe the decision should be reconsidered, and attach any supporting documents. Avoid emotional language or long stories that don't directly address the issue. After submitting the appeal, monitor the same email account you used for Spark. The support team may request additional documents or clarification before completing the review. Respond as soon as possible if they ask for more information. While you're waiting, don't create another Spark Driver account using different information. Duplicate accounts can create additional account issues and may complicate the review process. Also, avoid submitting the same appeal repeatedly, unless you're specifically asked to provide updated information. If your deactivation happened because documents expired, update them as soon as the platform allows. If your appeal is approved, having valid documents already on file can help you return to driving without additional delays. If your appeal is denied, review the explanation carefully. Some cases involve policy decisions that cannot be reversed, while others may allow another review if new supporting information becomes available. To recap, read the deactivation email first, submit one clear appeal with relevant documents, and respond quickly to any follow-up requests from Spark support. Your next step is to gather the documents related to your deactivation reason before sending your appeal. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and check out our other Walmart Spark troubleshooting guides.